Hey. Take two. Hey. Boom. Okay. Today I'm coming back at you with another slime recipe. This time it is my slime recipe. This is my fluffy slime recipe. So, it's glue time. This is probably the hardest part, getting the glue out. So, oh well, that didn't work out. Come on, come out! Okay. You know, that seems good enough. Come on. Okay. You know, that's good enough. Now I prepared this already. This is a teaspoon of borax into about a cup of water. Not that precise, but now shaving cream time. Okay, wait, I need to I don't measure. And now really? Okay. Moving on. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Actually, let's make that a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, a teaspoon of baking soda. Then, lotion. This looks really weird. Yeah. Always does. No, don't run out on me now, lotion. I swear, if you run out now, I'm going to kill you. Thank you. Okay, that's all I'm going to get out of it. That looks about a teaspoon. Or two. 2 teaspoons. If this would come out more, okay, there we go. 2 teaspoons of lotion. And then, I'm just going to stir this up a little. Okay, and activate. Mix. Now, you just slowly add the activator. Until it activates. So now, I'll see you when it's activated. Goodbye. Not for long. What's up, guys? Okay, we're back with activated slime. So, it's not much to see, but this slime is activated. If it's activated, then why is it? Okay, never mind. I'm not really good at slime spells, so I'm not going to do one of those. But, yeah, this slime is really nice. It's super fluffy, and I'm just like so addicted to poking it. So magical. Oops. Got too crazy. Like always. Okay. Enough about this slime. Wait, this is part of the video. More about this slime. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye!